as a senior technical product manager, I'm responsible for defining, designing, and delivering next-generation SCADA HMI software products for thousands of customers within changing technology landscape of IoT. I'm an electrical engineer with 14 years of in-depth experience in control systems product design and development for power plants, and then worked a couple of years in project management. Later, I moved into people management and organizational leadership for 3 years for a company specialized in utilities domain. So my background is into energy and utilities domain for almost 18 years. The biggest challenge was to find product management roles within my domain, energy and utilities. Not many companies have PM roles in this domain within India. Another challenge was to find a better role fitment for my years of experience, as I wanted to change my career path after spending so many years in engineering. Finally, tailoring my CV for a PM role so that it can get good enough hits by recruiters was another challenge. Most of the recruiters rely on keywords for screening the candidature. So even though one has the right skills, they are still judged by the availability of role-specific keywords in their CV. I would say that it helped me right from the interview process itself. I was able to understand the PM role better, especially the mindset of a PM, and that helped me to crack the interview. Eventually, the flow of work, right from discovery to product delivery to user, working in lockstep with development team, UX, and customers to solve pain points has really been an exciting journey so far. I can empathize more with users while I design the product, and the design discussions with the team and other stakeholders have been more productive, where my team is able to deliver value each sprint consistently. It was good, especially the interview rounds for core PM skills were really in-depth. For the initial screening round, I created a slide deck about my own fictitious product and defined my vision, mission, strategy, competitive landscape, etc. to showcase my mindset as a potential product manager. PM role being a very practical role, I thought of showcasing my readiness to be a PM in a creative way to the hiring manager, and it really worked out well. It was very much scenario-based questions related to how I, as a PM, would deal in case of ambiguity, dealing with multiple conflicting priorities and creative thinking. The interviews also have given me very good insights into the role and its responsibilities, and gave me a clear picture of what it would take for me to be successful in that role. The overall experience, I would say, right from the recruiter first phone call through the technical interviews and finally onboarding, has been a positive experience. I really like the way the entire program is laid out by Insight, which was very practical and easy to navigate each term. The program was very cost effective as it was within my budget. And the online mode of teaching with classes on weekends with very knowledgeable faculty has been a great help for me, as I could focus on my work on weekdays and focus on learning PM skills on weekends. Even if I missed the class, I could access the recordings anytime. I could clearly see a difference in my own mindset as a PM before joining the course and post-joining. In fact, the learning I gained from my term 1 played a major role in my success in cracking the interview. I thank faculty from Insight for all their support. Another major help is the community and the network that I can develop within my cohort, which has members from different domains and experiences, which is a great way to collaborate and share the knowledge and help each other in our career growth. Overall, I'm very much satisfied with the Insight PG PPM program. PM role is a very exciting role in which one gets to design and deliver scalable products to solve pain points of users. All it takes is the right mindset that can empathize with users to understand the pain points to solve for. It is important to be organized, like developing a prioritization system for the things you need to get done. Finally, leadership skills in defining and owning a product vision and collaborating with the teams to get things done are very important skills for any PM aspirant.